Hey friends, if you encounter shell infrastructure host high power CPU and memory usage on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. Next one is to restart the shell infrastructure host process carefully. So search for task manager, expand it, expand this. Now wait for it to load. And then, since this list is in alphabetical order, you can scroll down to shell infrastructure host. Right click on it and then select restart. Okay. Right click on it and then select the option to end task and then reboot your system. After this, you can scan your system with an anti malware removal tool, not Windows Security. I'll give you a better option. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command MRT and hit enter. This will open the malware removal tool. Okay, and then select next, select full scan, click on next, it will start scanning. The next solution will be an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Now I'm ignoring the system maintenance troubleshooter because it was rammed down earlier and it wouldn't do much. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.